Okay, so for this next one, we're going to do example 3 on page 100. First, you need to make sure you're in millimeters. So make sure you're in millimeters. And also make sure your front view is your XY plane. So get on the XY plane, right click, set current view as front, and set your current view as fit to view. So when I click home, I should be in this angle. This one's fairly simple. We're just going to create a sketch on XY plane, and we're going to do a bunch of circles. I'm going to start with the outside circle, 135. And 80. And 100. $35 and 17. I'm gonna adjust these up a little bit. So those are my dimensions, right? So then I click Finish Sketch, click on Extrude. I'm not extruding the one in the middle, and then I'm extruding 5 millimeters. You know what? I'm going to do -5. I'm going to do -5 because I want to extrude the other way. You'll see why right now. So I'm going to click on Sketches, and I want to make sure that Sketch 1 is visible again. So I'm going to still use the same sketch, right? So I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to extrude that one 80. And then this middle part, I'm going to extrude that one 10. And then this inside part, I'm going to extrude that one 48. And then I could remove the visibility on that. That's my part. Click on Home, and it should look like that. Click on Save, example 3, page 100.